Hi everyone, I'm just going to talk about my build before my phone dies. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But anyway, this is a Tempest 410 Elite case. I have a little Logitech G930 RF adapter because I have the wireless headset. USB cables routed through a little channel right here, and this panel opens up. I coiled some around in here and then routed out through an exit channel and then just coiled it back up, and this is a little connection for charging. You got three 5¼ inch bays. One of mine's in use. One DVD drive. These little, let me see if I can remove these. There we go. Stop spinning. Stop spinning. Okay. Yeah. These are little removable front panel fans. I like them a lot. You can see the little contacts that give them power right here, and those are all connected in the back with my cable management. I really like these little things right here. Actually, they're not on this one. Let me go ahead and try to remove another one. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to remove. Oops. Here we go. Okay. These are little anti-vibration rubber mounting. They're not really screws, but I don't know what you would call them. They're just anti-vibration, kind of to promote longer hard drive life. And yes, there are second set of contacts right here. I actually really like this a lot, and you can see little holes right there for 2.5-inch mount drive mounting. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's go on to put these back in a second. Let's go on to the side of the case. Right here you can see my G-Skill RAM right there. This is a Noctua NH D14 heatsink. I actually did have enough clearance with G-Skill Ripjaw X series RAM. This is two 4 gig sticks at 1866 clock speed. You can see this case had a lot of cable management. There's one little rubber grommet hole, and there's another one underneath. There is, see if you guys can see it. There's holes without rubber grommets. You can barely see it, but they're my USB headers are pretty much coming out of those. And let's see, this is a little top panel I'm not doing anything with right now, but hopefully one day I'm gonna have to remove this. And for CPU supplemental power, there's a little hole right there for your little. Mine looks like an 8-pin. Yeah, mine's 2 4-pin supplemental power. Right down here, you can see I have a MSI GeForce GTX 660 Ti. Oh, you can't see the C660 Ti, but it is one. My little wireless card adapter, bottom-mounted PSU with the cable routes through the back. That giant hole. We got about 8 of those little hard drive brackets, and you can see I'm using 2 of them right now. One of them has my SSD OCZ Agility 3 right there, and you can see all the cables are routed neatly, just right behind through the rubber grommets. I have another 500 gigabyte expansion hard drive that is 7200 RPM, and you can see my little DVD drive. I don't think there's anything really special about the DVD drive mounting except it's toolless. Yeah. I just wanted to talk about my build for a little bit. Let me see. Yep, I'm running a triple monitor setup, 2 DVIs, 1 HDMI, and little antennas from my PCIe wireless card. One thing about my motherboard is if you're looking to have say this case has USB 3.0, that needs a 20-pin header that my motherboard doesn't have. What you can do is get a little PCIe card that will let you use that, but I'd have to rearrange some things in the case to make it look great. Plus, you have to run the cable through, and I don't want to run a cable through all the way to one of those PCIe slots. It's not a big enough deal to me, but if it is to you, you might want to look at a different motherboard. This is the Asus M5A97. That's a Noctua D14 laptop, or not laptop, heatsink, G-Skill RAM, 660 GTX, 660 GTX 6. Oh wow, GTX 660 Ti, OCZ Agility 3, 500 gigabyte hard drive, DVD drive, and that's pretty much my build. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.